Java developer with SQL. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity in IT? People Prime Worldwide, India's largest IT staffing company, is looking for a talented Java developer with SQL expertise. Key skills: SQL, Java developer, core Java, SQL query. Experience required: proficiency in core Java, SQL queries, and strong application development skills. Hands-on experience with application development and implementation processes. Strong communication skills are essential for collaborative success. Cross-trained in IFs, so experience in cross-training will be a great asset. Job location: Bangalore. Work experience: 4 to 8 years. Education qualification: any graduation. Employment type: full-time. Work mode: work from office. CTC: 5 lakh Indian rupees to 16 lakhs yearly. Notice period: immediate joiners only. These positions are for our esteemed clients of People Prime Worldwide. Check out the description for more details and apply now. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest IT job opportunities with People Prime Jobs.